Hey, it's Arie here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In today's video, I want to go over the top 5 affiliate programs for 2020. So if you are looking to get into affiliate marketing and you're looking to start promoting some products online, then this video I'm going to be sharing with you the top 5 affiliate programs to consider checking out. So I'm very excited to get into this. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I'm always putting out new videos on a regular basis that will show you how you could do affiliate marketing, how to grow a business online, and different ways that you could, of course, make money from the comfort of your own home. So if you enjoy videos like this, definitely be sure to subscribe to this channel down below. But without further ado, let's get into this top 5, which is actually a top 6. So the very first one that I want to go over is called Jvzoo. Now, Jvzoo has been around for quite some time, and they primarily are known for, they have primarily digital products. So this is like in the form of like software, it's courses, it's ebooks, it's that type of stuff. And it's most of the products that they have are in kind of like that, like the make money online / business niche. So if you are promoting products in that niche, then I would definitely recommend checking out Jvzoo. Otherwise, they don't really have that much in terms of like other niches, but I believe they may have some offers related to like, health and wellness. But I know for the most part, it's mostly like, online marketing related stuff. So it's that type of stuff you're looking to grow a business online. That is primarily what a lot of these products are for. So if I go to the marketplace, it's got things like, audience toolkit, Linktify 2020, App Corner, get paid to review apps, Vid Snatcher commercial, video app suite. So it's a lot of software things like that are like kind of like, business related tools. I know this is a really popular one, Video FX Pro, DIY Septic System, Voice Buddy. So it's a lot of products like that, and they do pay pretty good commission. So a lot of the affiliate programs that I actually recommend getting started with, the ones that are primarily digital, they tend to pay out higher commissions than, like ones that are promoting physical products. So like if you're promoting digital products, usually you can expect to get around 30 to 50%, which is very good. And that's why I recommend going with digital products, because it's just much easier to make more money when you're promoting digital products. So that's why I recommend, platforms like Jvzoo. If you're getting into that niche, I recommend promoting digital products. So Jvzoo is the first one that I want to mention. And the next one is, number 2 is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is very similar to Jvzoo. They've got primarily digital products. So a lot of it is software related stuff, just kind of like before. Here are some of the products that they have. These are like, the top products as of like today at the time that I'm recording this video. So like right now we've got Recurring Profit Machine, which is like, it seems like it's like their number 1 product right now. Best Year Yet, Local Domain Profits, Recurring Bot, Commission Map Pro, Hey Kitty Cat, I don't know what that is, Amazing or something, Facebook Realtor Radar. I can check out any of these products here. And if you want to, of course, promote any of these products with, I know with Jvzoo and Warrior Plus, in order to get approved to promote a product, you have to, of course, ask permission from the vendor. You have to, of course, request approval, and you have to write some sort of like, short message to like say like, hey, may I promote this product? In a lot of cases, they will give you access to it, but some of them, they are looking for more of like, experienced marketers. So that's kind of one thing to take into consideration. But like this is one product that is about like some app that like automates recurring, passive and high ticket products. So that's pretty cool there. I don't want to go through that entire thing, but yeah, this is Warrior Plus, and again, this is pretty much their entire marketplace. So if you want to find affiliate offers, you just go to affiliate dashboard or like offers right here, and then this is where you could find some affiliate offers that are currently doing very well. So like this is like, it'll give like a list of them. Looks like it's currently loading up. But yeah, that's pretty much the entire general concept of Warrior Plus. And let's move on to number 3. Oh yeah, here are the products right here. So like you could of course request access by clicking on one of these buttons, and then this will give you more information on what you could expect to earn for one single sale. So Recurring Profit Machine, if I get one sale of this, on average, it looks like it will give me about like a $40 commission right there. So that's pretty good. And the let's see what this. So this is like the amount of like the rate of like which people are like enjoying the product. So it's got a score of like 121.54, which looks pretty good. And then you could of course request access right there. Number 3 is called Clickbank. This is one of the more well-known affiliate marketplaces. These guys have been around for well over 20 years, and they primarily have digital products. So out of all the affiliate programs that have digital products, this is like the biggest affiliate marketplace when it comes to promoting digital products. And they've got a ton of different niches that you could, of course, go into. I mean, if I go into affiliate marketplace right here, it's going to bring up an entire list of different niches that I could, of course, check out. So like, arts and entertainment, as seen on TV, betting systems, business and investing, computers, internet, education, health and fitness. I mean, the list pretty much goes on with Clickbank. There's so much stuff that you could promote as an affiliate for Clickbank. And a lot of the products, they do pay out very, very well. Now, the downside with Clickbank is that over the years, some of the products they tend to kind of go down in quality. So oftentimes you may have to do a lot of digging before you find that, that one good product here and there. So that's my personal advice that I wanted to give, is that ultimately, if you're doing affiliate marketing, you want to make sure that whatever it is that you are recommending is actually of quality. And that is how you build. That's one of the ways that you, of course, retain trust with your audience. So like, if I go into like the e-business and e-marketing niche, for example, I know there's one product in here that is usually around the top here. Let me see if I can scroll down. It is the Super Affiliate System by John Prestani. This is a program that pays out very, very well. It pays out a 50% commission on $9.97 front end. So like if you get one sale of this, it'll pay you around $439.33. So that's pretty good. If you can get one sale of this per day, I mean, that's well over a full-time income pretty much per day. And what's great about this is that all you have to do is you have to get them on a free webinar, and that entire webinar does all the selling for you. So it's a very easy program to sell, and it has a very huge earning potential. So Clickbank is the third one that I want to mention. As for number 2, ShareSale is number 2, and this one, they primarily have physical products, and this company works with many other brands. Like as you can see here, it said NBA they work with, Jvzoo, a lot of very well-known brands that you may be very well familiar with. Minted, what else we got? Warby Parker, Julep, it looks like that's like cosmetic related stuff. All that type of stuff. So it's in different niches such as, home and garden, fashion, green products, some business stuff, and a whole bunch of other things that you can, of course, check out. So this one, they primarily have physical products, but like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, when you're promoting physical products, generally the commission rates tend to be a bit lower. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. But otherwise, I would say this is for if you are going into a niche, a very specific niche such as like, fashion or like clothing. If you are going into one of those niches, then I would definitely recommend checking out ShareSale. So that's a really great one to check out. They've got plenty of different merchants that they work with, and there's plenty of things that you could find to promote in this marketplace right here. And as for number 1, it is Amazon's affiliate program. Now, Amazon is, by far the largest, probably like the largest company in the world by this point. Definitely the largest online retailer, that's for sure. And because of that, they also have the largest affiliate program. So the benefit with Amazon is that pretty much anything you could think of that you could buy off Amazon, you could actually recommend as an affiliate and earn a commission on. The downside with Amazon's affiliate program is that since it is physical products, the commission rates are generally very low. I mean, it says here earn up to 10% on advertising fees per sale, but usually in most cases it's around like 3 to 6%, sometimes like 8%. It really depends on the type of products that you are promoting. I know they do have something. Okay, advertising fees. If I go here, I think this will give more information on what their different niches. Okay, yeah. So this is it right here. So like luxury beauty, Amazon coins, like this pays out like 10% commission. So I mean, that's decent, but, like furniture, home improvement, that's 8%. And then from here, it just goes down. like physical video games, this is probably a niche that I would not recommend getting in. This will pay out like a 1% commission for one sale that you get. So that's kind of the thing that you have to keep in mind. You definitely want to make sure that you choose a niche that is rather profitable, and you want to also go for something that is in rather high demand. So that's something that I would definitely recommend taking into consideration. But the magic with Amazon's affiliate program is they have this thing called the 24-hour cookie. Now, what that means is that whenever someone clicks on one of your affiliate links and they go to check out any product that you recommend, whether it is, a laptop, whether it's a smart TV, whether it's, like headphones or clothing or, beauty-related products or anything that you could think of, if they click on an affiliate link and they make any purchase within the next 24 hours, you get paid a commission on that. So that's pretty good. So, like, let's say, for example, that you're recommending, like, I don't know, like an Amazon Fire Stick, right? So that's like what, like a $20 to $40 product right there. Someone may not be interested in buying that product right away, but if they buy, like, let's say, like, like an hour or two later, they buy like some item, like some like, tablet that's like, $1,000 or $2,000. Well, you get paid a commission on that. So, since Amazon is such a powerful, marketplace, and a lot of people go to Amazon, it's like, it's almost like an addiction to shop on Amazon. It's very easy to make sales with the Amazon program. And if you can get a large enough following either on a website or on YouTube, then there is a very great earning potential with Amazon's affiliate program. So to get started with Amazon's affiliate program, you just have to click on this join now for free button, and you could of course go through the process there. I do have like a video tutorial that I did a while back showing how to get started with Amazon's affiliate program, but for the most part it's rather self-explanatory. But yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know about Amazon's affiliate program, and yeah, that's my number one recommendation there. And as a bonus, since you stuck around to the very end, since I mentioned in the beginning this is a top 6, the number one, or the bonus that I want to mention, is called Offer Vault. Now think of it like this. Offer Vault is a very cool site because this is kind of like a search engine for affiliate marketing. So like if you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and you want to find a product in a very specific niche, or you want to find, a very great, offer to promote with, good earning potential, then Offer Vault is a site that I recommend checking out. So like right here, I'm on like the main homepage, and here we've got a list of different offers that, different affiliate offers right here. And they've got, like over like 6, like tons of pages worth of different affiliate offers from different affiliate networks. So like, for example, Little Caesars $100 gift card. This is like a CPA type of offer. So it's like people, they enter their email to enter for, some sort of like contest, and then someone gets picked to get this Little Caesars $100 gift card. So for every single lead that you get into this, it'll pay out a $190 commission right there. So you don't have to, necessarily sell anything with this. You just have to get someone to enter their email. So if you can get a lot of emails entered in, that's a great way to make some good, affiliate commissions without having to actually sell anything. There's one other one I saw down here that's like, where is it? Credit report, my score, $29 per lead. Again, you're not selling anything with this. You're just getting someone to enter their information, and they pay out a $29 commission right there. They've got, some CBD products, online shops. I mean, there's tons of different niches in here that you could, of course, explore. Debit and credit, email stuff, lotteries and contests, home and garden, casino, dating, financial, lead generation, adult dating, so there's a whole bunch of things that you could find in this marketplace right here. And it's definitely one that I recommend checking out. If you're looking to get into affiliate marketing and you have like no idea on where to get started, and you're trying to decide, okay, what's something that I should promote, this is a site that I would definitely recommend checking out. But anyways, hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Leave your feedback, letting me know what you might add to this list, and also be sure to give this a thumbs up because it really does help the channel. Anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing long term, if you want to learn how to build up an entire business around the concept of affiliate marketing, my number one link down below will give you access to my free training, and that'll go over exactly how to build up an entire business through the concept of affiliate marketing. So that's what I recommend going for, because affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about any customer service. You don't have to hold any inventory. You are pretty much just being the middleman between the customers and the products. That's really what affiliate marketing is all about. So anyways, hope you found this video helpful, and take care.